Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pinke, and in today's video, I would like to talk about some bullish things because we can see that we have right now a small recovery. Bitcoin price was today back to 56,000 US dollar, but also US Treasury starts treasury buybacks again, 30 billion US dollar a month, and some other bullish things are also coming up. Also, I would like to talk about how the institutional investors who buying spot ETFs have reacted, because that's also very, very interesting. From IBIT, there was zero outflow, even we could see this huge crash. And finally, I would like to also talk about that Morgan Stanley tells wealth advisors they can pitch Bitcoin spot ETFs from the 7th of August. That's also bullish for Bitcoin. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important and you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So first of all, when we're looking at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is 9% up in the last 24 hours right now at 54,741 US dollar. But we were already slightly above 56,000. Ethereum also up, pretty much the same, almost 10%. Right now, 2,432 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see BRAD, which went down like crazy yesterday or before yesterday, now up 46%. iOS up 41%. BitTensor 38%. So we can see many altcoins doing pretty well, having some nice recovery right now. And yeah, today we do not really have losers, but you know, we lost a lot of money yesterday, so it's time to bring it back. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that, well, we went down all the way, as you can see, 40,050 US dollar. That was the bottom. And even yesterday, we came back all the way to 54,000-ish. And today we continued this. Now we see some sideways movements again, because it takes time to recover. Also, fear and greed index is extremely low in its extreme fear, 17 points. And last week, 67. What a big difference. And when you're looking at in a longer term, you can see last time we were that low. That was such a big fear on the market. It was back in July 2022. So actually middle of the bear market. So yeah. Crazy things. And as you can see, 2 trillion US dollar was wiped out from stocks, because of this big dump and fear on the market. And look, when you're looking at the market cap here at the top of cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, it's less than 2 trillion US dollar right now. So what we could see here, sorry, that will be the next topic. 2 trillion, it was wiped out from the stock market. This is how big it is. And now, after this, let's talk about some bullish things. And the first, it will be that US Treasury starts treasury buybacks again. And this is definitely bullish for liquid markets. So here you have it, the US Treasury from tomorrow starts treasury buybacks again, 30 billion US dollar a month, which means more money entering into the system. Then rate cuts. Now it looks like, look, 76% is saying that there will be a 50 basis point rate cut by the Fed at the 18th of September. So if there are rate cuts, again, money printing starts again. Also, 60% chance of an emergency rate cut this week by Bloomberg. So they're saying that the Fed going to have an emergency meeting and they're going to have a rate cut already. They're not waiting until the 18th of September. And another important thing is that the global M2 money supply hits all-time high. And, this is also very, very important. So it means liquidity for the market, and when there is liquidity, all these things happening, what I have just mentioned, that could definitely boost liquid markets just like stock market and the crypto market. Yes, right now we are in a situation and we're still waiting for many news, but even this global M2 money supply information, or that they're starting to do these buybacks again, all these little steps mean and shows the direction we are actually heading. And those things are actually bullish for liquid markets. So I think this is definitely something positive. Right. Okay. Next thing. Oh, before I move on, if you're looking at this here, you can see here on the right side, we had this COVID crash, right? Here, this is the Bitcoin USDT chart. And then we had this great bull run after that. And here, this is not the green one. It's a prediction, obviously. But look how similar the situation is right now. It's very, very similar. And, okay, not totally, but we don't have, totally same situations. So I'm not talking about that, just similarity, which shows, risk of recession right now. Back then was COVID crash. But anyway, it means putting more money into the system, put back the money printer, and this is usually good for the liquid markets. Okay, that's it. Now on to the next topic. The next topic is all about how actually, IBIT investors reacted onto this big dump what we had on the market. I think that's also very interesting because look at this here. IBIT investors, woke up on Monday to see a 14% move over the weekend after, stomaching an 8% decline to the week prior. And what did they do? Absolutely nothing. There was zero outflow. If you're looking at this here, you can see that here we have IBIT, and on Monday, on the 5th of August, there was zero outflow there. So actually, they were holding, and this is actually very, very important. Also, yesterday's trading volume was $5.7 billion for US Bitcoin ETF, which was actually, as you can see, highest for a month actually now. And when you're looking at the US Ethereum ETF, post second largest daily inflows as global market wobble. So you can see that despite of this turbulent backdrop, Ethereum ETFs show a positive daily net inflow on Monday, totaling $48.7 million. So, these guys were shopping. And this is also very important perspective, how they investing. Okay, and next topic. It's all about the wealth advisors by Morgan Stanley can start pitching Bitcoin spot ETFs. To spread the information, we do need these financial advisors and wealth advisors. And as you can see here, Morgan Stanley tells wealth advisors they can pitch Bitcoin ETFs in the first for a big bank. So this is how it's going to start. Go to big banks. We have 15,000 of them advisors. And they're going to talk about and pitch two funds: BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. And starting on the 7th of August. And, step by step, first they're going to the big banks, but sooner or later they will do it, personally to clients and so on and so forth. And this is the way how actually, for example, the boomer generation can put their hands on the Bitcoin, not directly because maybe they don't like the original way to store Bitcoin, but through an ETFs because they invest in ETFs anyway. it could be good. And if the financial advisor is going to tell them that, this is a great investment, and look at the last 15 years performance, probably many of them would be, open to it and invest in it. So this is important because these are now the new marketing guys for Bitcoin, and they're going to spread the information. And now the information is not coming from a YouTuber or not coming from an article, the neighbor. It's coming from your wealth advisor. So that's a huge difference. Okay, for last, we have, Mr. 100 accumulating 1,850 Bitcoin yesterday when we had this big drop. So this is how the big guys reacting. And also very important here, this quote from Naval: if you want to make wrong decision, ask everyone. When there is panic on the market, everybody is, just selling, panicking. And if you just follow the majority, this is when you are losing. You should have your own strategy, and you should believe in your investments. If you don't, then simply just don't invest. And of course, on the way up, you should take profits so you're not 100% in. And when you have profits, you have possibilities to buy on a cheaper price when there is some discounts. And as they say, when it's blood on the market, it's the best time to get in. This is not financial advice. You do your own homework. This what we can see the big guys are doing. I'm just showing their message. Mr. 100, IBIT investors, and so on and so forth. Guys, that's it for today. I hope these informations are useful for you. If yes, then definitely hit the like button. And also don't forget, every single day you're getting the fresh Bitcoin cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. You're getting a couple of short videos every day, plus from Monday to Thursday, these longer videos with more depth information. So if you would like to stay up to date, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, guys, see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.